Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best staple guns on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is RexBeti Heavy Duty 3-in-1 Staple Gun. The first product that we'll be visiting is RexBeti's Heavy Duty 3-in-1 Staple Gun. With this kit, you'll get a manual staple gun, 3 different types of staples, a staple remover that works with the different staples, and a case to store everything safely. The gun has a soft rubber handle for your comfort, as well as a safety lock so that the gun won't accidentally fire. The best thing about this gun is that you can adjust the strength of the gun depending on the project you require it for. It even has inbuilt shock absorbers so that the gun won't jerk back too hard. Pros: versatile. Staples deep. Metal drive to prevent the staple gun from being stuck. Staple remover that works with D-types, U-types, and T-types. Cons: due to the adjustable tension, the gun may get jammed if not held properly. Number 2. Second best pick is Pneumatic NTC0040 Electric Brad Nailer. Here's a staple gun that works on electricity, and is fantastic for DIY projects or just carpentry work in general. The NTC0040 is a 2-in-1 electric stapler as it works with both staples and brad nails. It comes with its own staples and brad nails too. The gun comes with 400 PCS of 5/8 foot brad nails, 400 PCS of 3/4 brad nails, and 200 PCS of 3/4 staples, and this makes the gun ideal for general repairs, craftworks, upholstery, etc. Possessing an ergonomic grip for comfort and accuracy, it also features a power adjustment dial depending on the thickness of the material you will be using it on. Pros: contact safe. Non-marring nose. Quick release mechanism for easy reload. Adjustable power. Cons: some may find the size too big. Number 3. Third best pick is Yahome 4-in-1 Stapler Gun. Yahome's 4-in-1 stapler gun is an affordable manual stapler gun that has an adjustable screw lever to increase the tension in the gun. The gun can be used for a wide variety of DIY tasks, as it comes with a brilliant assortment of staples and brad nails. The full kit also contains gloves for your safety and protection, as well as a remover that works with all the different types of staples and brad nails. Steel handle with over-molded grip to help provide comfortable usage and easy operation. Bottom load design and a steel magazine for quick and easy loading. Bonus heavy-duty staple remover and gloves included to remove staples quickly, cleanly, and safely. Pros: durable. Rust-proof. All chromed steel construction. Over-molded grip. Cons: staples provided with the kit are for light projects. Number 4. Fourth best pick is PHITRIC Heavy Duty Upholstery Gun. Here, we have an upholstery gun by PHITRIC which works great as a professional tool or even for general household repairs. It is a 4-in-1 staple gun which is capable of using D, U, and T-type staples, as well as brad pins. On purchase, you will not only get the upholstery gun but 2000 PCS of 7/16 inch D-shaped, and 1/2 inch U-shaped staples each, as well as 1000 PCS of 3/8 inch T-shaped staples and 5/8 inch brad pins. Constructed of all steel and plated with chrome which makes it resistant to corrosion and makes it as held accountable for the strength and durability to withstand the most difficult craftwork. The PHITRIC staple gun does not get jammed, and with the simple and rapid clear system of the gun, it possesses the capacity to get back to work instantly. Enables you to work efficiently and renders reliable performance. Change the pressure, from low to high, with the screw lever. You do not need to apply a lot of force to staple the materials. Used to staple plastics, wood, and brickwork. For numerous kinds of projects such as an assortment of things, house wrap, wiring, flooring, upholstery, diversion, and many more things. Features an easy slide staple loading. Easy squeeze mechanism to save your time and simple operation. Steel handle with overmolded grip to help provide comfortable usage. You can work with it for long hours without experiencing fatigue. Pros: adjustable power, ergonomic and comfortable handle, safety lock, resistant to corrosion. Cons: the gun's tension control has to be re-adjusted every now and then during long projects. Number 5. Fifth best pick is WEN 61705 20 gauge pneumatic stapler. The WEN 20 gauge is the first pneumatic stapler on our list, and you can be assured it is a powerhouse of a stapler gun. It is a fantastic air-powered stapler gun with a great build quality at an affordable price, capable of handling simple upholstery projects and even heavy-duty woodworking, trim work, vinyl installation, and more. The magazine of this gun can hold up to 100 fasteners at a time. The gun also comes with an extender that helps you to reach those hard-to-reach places. Pros: compact 1.8-pound design, versatile tool, extended nose, 360 degrees air exhaust. Cons: the lowest power setting is 60 psi, which may damage some types of vinyl. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.